Welcome to another episode of Travel Chat. As you already know, my name is Esther. This episode is going to be so much fun and very engaging. Don't touch that dial.
Let's have it.
This part is very hard, so I have to remove my glasses. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. 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 Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
He make me proud. Proudly.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled. Peter Piper picked a peck of
Bombastic
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
What is your dream destination right now and why?
Okay, my dream destination country is a vacation.
Yes.
Okay, is Paris. I also wanted to have a first-hand experience of the Eiffel Tower, a lot of beautiful places are in France actually, majorly in Paris. So, being a travel consultant, we actually know that throughout the whole Europe, France has the highest tourist attraction center. So, I personally also wanted to visit France, like unwind myself in their culture, in their rich cultural environment, and also visit a lot of tourist attraction places in Paris majorly. So that's the reason why I choose France, basically.
Clap for Jesus!
Okay, for me, I'll say Qatar and Paris. Paris because I love love. I'm a love person, so I want to visit that place with my husband. Oh my God! Then for Qatar because Qatar has the most beautiful airports, one of the most beautiful airports. So I would love to visit Qatar. I love Qatar so much. So that's why I would love to visit Qatar, just to see the way their airport looks like and all of that.
Which state slogan is "Get Away State"?
Ogun State.
States now.
Which country is the richest country in the world?
Just country, Switzerland. Richest
Dubai.
country.
Dubai.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Qatar.
Kuwait.
Richest
Luxembourg.
country, Saudi Arabia.
What are you saying? What is he saying?
Egypt.
Richest country in the world.
Canada.
Can we have in which continent?
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Australia.
When it's in Asia, I will choose Asia country. I will choose
One eternity later.
Singapore.
Oh wow, Singapore.
Singapore. Are you sure? Singapore. Oh, it's their GDP. I don't understand. Okay, for Europe, Abi. Now remain Europe. For Switzerland.
No, she already gave us it now. We got it already, Singapore.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
It's two now. One is in Asia, the other one is in Europe.
Hey,
Europe,
Malta.
Schengen generally, or excluding UK. You know UK is not part of Schengen.
Many months later.
The Schengen, we have Luxembourg.
Yes, Luxembourg. Yes.
Switzerland said get money like much.
You're correct.
I have a very, very strong question.
But that's Singapore. No, seriously. I don't know that they have money. I believe Nigeria even. Let's go there now. I'm proud of you.
Singapore.
I trust my country.
The next question is, the UK has 4 constituent countries.
Yes, now.
Mention 2 of the constituents.
2 or the 4.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
We have Wales, we have Ireland,
Yes.
we have UK, England, and we have Scotland.
The country won the last AFCON.
Is here now, Cameroon. They won.
Cameroon.
Senegal, rather, sorry. Sorry, it's the last one, the Senegal. Sorry.
I'm sure you enjoyed this episode. For more videos like this, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time, catch ya!